Yeah. So this is the explanation to my Bitcoin trade and the logic to how I knew all what Bitcoin was doing was just creating liquidity to the buy side. And I got a message from a friend this morning and he was like, what is Bitcoin doing? And I just laughed because I knew I had the knowledge that what's it called, or I know better not to be among the trap. So let me just quickly explain everything. So this was the trade. Yeah, it took a long time though. It took a very long time. So this is like daily time frame, and imagine all of the days in these candles and these candles till this point. But I mean, I wasn't actually in a hurry. I knew that it's going to take a long time and stuff. So let's go to the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, I love what weekly did, and I already marked out these guys because I knew that weekly was doing a good, what was it called, money transfer to the buy side. So yeah, money was transferred from all of these guys to this guy, and from this guy, money was transferred to what? This guy. So just know that simple logic behind money transfer is for every tick of a liquidity to the same direction. So that point where it took out the liquidity is a money transfer. And on this area, when market took out these guys to receive this money here and broke structure, market broke structure but had did an incomplete pullback, then broke structure again. And this already tells me that on the weekly time frame, this is a what? This is an inducement. This is an incomplete pullback. So I expect market to take out this guy, then come down to around 80 to like 74 to like 80,000 price range. And when we get our buy from this price range, then we're looking to make new all-time highs on Bitcoin. All right, now because I know there's a liquidity, that doesn't stop me from, what's it called, trading off it. Because I would tend to if I should wait, I want to wait for the whole, I think for the whole year to be done or something if I'm catching this trade. Because definitely it's going to take time because this is a bigger time frame. So on daily time frame, this is what I saw on daily time frame. Yeah, so this is what I saw on daily time frame. I saw this. That this whole part where it was just a simple money transfer on weekly was like a simple inducement on weekly was like a money transfer on daily, because it's received it on this point, broke structure, and what was it called? The incomplete pullback still before breaking structure. So we expect market to rally down. So when market rally down around this area, this guy was no reason for me to see market reacting to create a new all-time high. But Bitcoin did what he has to do, and I was expecting this guy to be swept. But this guy, there was something I saw here on the on lower time frame, that this guy will be the guy to, take out all of these people and hit my, what was it called, my demand. And here's how I knew, or here's the reason I picked this guy as my demand, not covering all of these lows to make my stop loss very big. And because I know this is not an SMR, a smart money reversal, or a violation base, or what was it called, or a valid violation block, or a valid violation block. And on the 4 hours, it was what I saw. So on the 4 hours, yeah. So on the 4 hours on this area. So this is structure 1, structure 2, market broke it out. And before breaking this guy, so this guy, for some people that this market is already on the downtrend on the 4 hours, they will feel, okay, yeah, is a supply to sell from. The feel here is a supply to sell from. And what is the violation block that violated the supply? This indecision candle. There are a lot of tricks I use in trading, and trust me, if I have the time to explain all, I would. So the moment I saw this indecision candle, I said, yep, this is my guy. So I knew that this was my demand. And what was it called? After breaking out of this place, after the violation block, it it gave my first inducement, and I knew that everything that is above this guy is my inducement. So before market should take out this weekly inducement, market should print me money out of this clean guy I spotted out. Yeah. And For instance, I was on the chart, yeah. Supposing I was on the chart, you see this previous week, like this is way back, this high here, this previous all-time high, and market took it out. There's a way I trade off every liquidity point, and trust me, it's same thing. It's same thing. There are different ways I trade off every liquidity point. So the one basic thing I tend to look out from is, okay, let's use this line. Supposing this is the liquidity, this is what I want to just see market do. Market will come close to before taking out the liquidity, do this, take it out, then do this, then I will know I'll be selling around this area. This. Or market should do this before taking out the liquidity, take it out, do this, do my incomplete pullback, and market should take out before I sell. So there are a lot of patterns I want to see around the liquidity point. But mind you, this structure should be within the liquidity point. Yes. So on this area, on this, let me just say on this segment, let me say on this segment, okay? On the 4 hours time frame, market did this. Watch. Did this. Took it out. It hasn't broken this structure yet. Created another high. Then broke. What happened? Then that's already a signal for me that this is a what? Trading off what? Of liquidity points. The one market did. Market came back with this guy. Tap in. And what should be my overall take profit? This guy. You know why? You should learn something that for every liquidity that has been taken out, if you're on the right side, if you're on the right bias, your TP or where you should be looking at should be the opposite liquidity. What do I mean? External to external. This was the previous week high. And this low was what prompted taking out this high. And because we know we are trading off liquidity, we expect market to come take everything. So we are on the sell side, even when we are bullish. So now, the moment I see this being printed, I get into my trade. My TP should be what? External. External to external. And what happened? Market came, got in on the sweet guy I spotted out, and boom. So I'm expecting market on the 4 hours time frame to buy up to an hidden violation block. Trust me, there's a lot on logic on this market. So what do I mean? Volume. When markets breaks rule, when market tends to break rule with volume, with candlesticks. So on daily, your hidden base is around this guy, or your hidden violation block is around this guy. But trust me, I don't want to be greedy because this trade is already running over 1/6 RR already. So I'm expecting market to get to this line before anything should happen and take out this weekly inducement. Then we will be expecting markets around this area to buy to give us a new all-time high. All right, so that's basically how I spotted my trade, what made me secured, what made me see what market was printing, and all of that. And if you find this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button, comment on what you want me to always talk about, and I'll be posting this across my YouTube and my Instagram and my TikTok, whatever you want me to talk about. Just hit on the comment section and I'll find time to create content regarding the topic you want me to talk about. Thank you.